In today's video, I'm going to show you how 3 regular people turn simple ideas into million-dollar businesses with the help of AI. These aren't complicated tech startups, they're simple tools that solve everyday problems built by people just like you and me. We'll break down exactly how they built these businesses, how much money they make, and most importantly, how you can start something similar in 2025. And if you want to join the new rich and grow your own million-dollar digital business, click the link in the description. Let's start with Wave AI, an AI note-taking app that's making $4 million a year. The app is super simple. You just hit record during a meeting or conversation, and the AI turns your audio into text and then gives you a summary. When you're done recording, it sends everything to the cloud and processes it automatically. You can then listen to your recording, read the transcript, or just check the AI-generated summary. The founder noticed that most important conversations happen away from our desk, so he made it to work great with real-world situations. For example, one user recorded an important client meeting while traveling and had a detailed summary ready before their flight even landed. Another cool feature is that you can make phone calls through the app and it records them automatically. You can even import podcasts and get summaries of those too. The app lets anyone try it for free with 30 minutes of recording each month. If people like it, they can pay $6.99 monthly or save with a $20 yearly subscription. They also offer a lifetime deal for $30, which many people grab when they realize how useful it is. This pricing approach works really well because people can test the app risk-free first and then choose a plan that fits their budget. The founder actually built this entire business by himself, proving you don't need a big team to create something valuable. He focused on making the app really good at one thing, turning voice into text and making summaries of it, instead of trying to add tons of complicated features. Okay, so next up is PDF.ai, which is making $50,000 every month by helping people query their PDF documents. The tool is very simple. You upload a PDF and then you can ask it questions about what's in the document. For example, if you have a 50-page contract, instead of reading the whole thing, you just ask, what's the cancellation policy? The AI reads through the document and gives you the answer instantly. The founder spent about $10,000 to buy the domain PDF.ai, which turned out to be really smart. Now when people search in Google for PDF.ai, this website shows up first, bringing in tons of free traffic. To make sure people would actually pay for this, he first tested it by offering lifetime access for $99. Over 300 people bought it right away, giving him $30,000 to invest back into the business. After seeing people loved it, he switched to a monthly subscription model. Anyone can try it for free. You can get 1 PDF and 100 questions per month. If you need more, it's $10 monthly for 100 PDFs and 1,000 questions. Heavy users can get the unlimited for $20 a month. This pricing works great because people can actually try the product before spending any money. The business now brings in $50,000 monthly, and they barely spend anything on marketing because that domain name keeps bringing in new customers for free. Our third business, it's a business that uses AI to help people create logos and brand designs without any design skills. The founder was a designer who got tired of charging clients $4,000 and spending 3 weeks making logos. He thought there had to be a cheaper and faster way for companies to make good logos themselves. So he built an AI tool that lets anyone create professional logos in just a few minutes. So here's how it works. You type in your company name, choose some logos you like from the examples, pick your favorite colors, and the AI creates custom designs for you. You can try it completely free and design as many logos as you want. When you find a logo you love, you can download a basic version for just $20. For $65, you can get high quality files that work for everything from websites to business cards. They also offer a yearly subscription for $96 that gives you over 300 branded templates for social media, business cards, and other marketing materials. The business has helped over 20 million users in 188 countries create more than 10 billion custom logos. They're now making over 8 million a year, with more than half of that coming from subscriptions. What's really interesting is that they turned things around after almost failing. They went from laying off 80% of their staff to tripling their monthly revenue in just 2 years. They did this by focusing on making their product better, adding features that customers actually wanted. Now they have over 50,000 paying subscribers who use Looka to create and manage their brand designs. So what ideas can we take from these examples to start something for yourself? First, notice how each of these founders found everyday problems that that were just annoying everyday people. Wave AI's founder saw that people struggle to remember everything from important meetings and conversations. PDF.ai's founder realized people waste hours searching through long documents for specific information. And Looka's founder knew from experience that small businesses couldn't afford thousands of dollars for custom logos. You don't need to invent something completely new. Just find a common problem and solve it better with AI. Another smart move is to start by testing if people will actually pay for your solution. PDF.ai's founder tested this by offering lifetime access for just $99 before building the full product. When 300 people immediately bought it, he knew he was onto something good. You also don't have to build everything from scratch. PDF.ai's founder bought an existing weekend project for $10,000 instead of spending months coding. This saved him probably 6 months of development time and let him focus on getting customers right away. Look at where people are wasting time in their work or their business. Maybe doctors spend hours writing up patient notes, or real estate agents waste time analyzing property contracts, or students struggle to understand their textbooks. The key is to find a specific problem for a specific group of people who will pay for the solution. Then make it super simple to try your product with a free version. If people like it, which they probably will, they'll happily pay more for features or usage, just like all three of these businesses did. Remember, you don't need a complicated business model or millions in funding. Just a useful tool that solves a real problem people face every day. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts, and if you have any questions, put them down below. If you found this useful, like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to build and sell your own $1 million business, then visit thenewrich.com. You can also join the free Telegram group if you want to stay up to date on the fastest way to make money with AI. See you in the next video.